nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being changed, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours, 'cause you're nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye-bye. Don't remind me how you feel in every way. Don't remind me of all the BS you could say. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours, 'cause you're nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye-bye.
If you bake chicken thighs with coconut milk, lots of garlic and ginger and a few other bits, you're going to be left with this delicious coconut baked chicken. Easy, healthy, packed full of flavour and served with a delicious honey sriracha drizzle. So the ingredients for the coconut baked chicken are in the caption below. Bake it for 20 minutes, pour over those delicious coconut curry juices and we're going to be doing today. This is a simple and delicious white cabbage slaw, literally just Greek yogurt and some gochugaru or chili powder. I'm obsessed with pickles at the moment. They're gut friendly and a great way to get your veg in. The honey sriracha drizzle is literally 2 ingredients and then we're ready to build our rice bowl. I've served my chicken over brown basmati rice, served with a slaw, as much pickles as you want, and then spoon all those gorgeous delicious juices all over the chicken. And that is a healthy high protein dinner. Probably one of my favourite dishes I've ever made.
doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause we're not a thing. We're not a thing.